Folding outdoor stadium chair with backrest and armrests for comfortable and supportive seating on bleachers and benches. Stadium seat. Featuring a lightweight frame and a portable design, this bleacher seat quickly and easily folds up for simple storage and transportation. Sturdy, yet lightweight aluminum chair frame accommodates up to 330 pounds and measures 23.6 by 22.8 by 16.3 inches. Seat height is 4 inches. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy, lightweight aluminum, this bleacher chair accommodates up to 330 pounds and features a supportive backrest. Breathable nylon mesh and polyester fabric seat and back support ensures cool comfort, even during warm outdoor sporting events. Top reviews from the United States. High quality. Perfect chair for my back. Very comfortable and supportive. I bought 2 of them that were missing the original packaging for half price. An excellent bargain and no faults found on either chair.